welcome back. Don't you just love, love, love when brands collab? Look at what I have. Jurassic World with Barbie. And I got this at my Dollarama. Can you believe that this was under $5? This one was actually quite affordable. For a Jurassic World or Jurassic Park dress, the shoes, and I believe that's a necklace. I mean, how absolutely adorable is this little set? Looking at it before we, get right into it and review it, I think the dress is going to be similar to the Hello Kitty collab that Barbie did, where the hood just goes through the hair. I really, just by looking at that, I think that is a hood. I can't compare it to this Barbie because she has the traditional heel. So I am going to use my pool swimming Barbie. She's got the nice flat feet, and I think that those shoes are going to need this Barbie to be our model. Let's just get right into it. I am learning. See, over time, I am learning. It has a little tag. I brought the scissors. Let's cut it. See, look at that. I love these little bags. They are so perfect for storing all of Barbie's accessories. I have one now that's just for Chelsea stuff. Do you remember the Dollar Tree Chelsea outfits? I have one of these little bags that I just keep Chelsea stuff in. I have another one just for Barbie shoes and for all of the different accessories. One for her food from the mini brands. These are great, and they hang. You don't have to keep these outfits in them, but these I would definitely suggest if you have them, keep them. They are fantastic, and it's a good quality plastic. You don't even have to use it to store your Barbie stuff. You can use it to store absolutely everything. Now that we have it out, we can actually see the year. So this is from 2021, and that's why it would be at our Dollarama. Is it a necklace? It's not a hood. Okay. Let's get it. They have the elastics. They have the elastics. Can I get it out? I got it out. Okay. The shoes. And get the dress. Okay. Oh, the dress has got the threads. Okay. This is why we need the scissors. Let's cut. Try not to cut the... is that not... Oh my gosh, I think that's shorts. Okay, guys. I think it is shorts. Okay. I loved Jurassic Park when it came out. I love all of the... Oh my gosh. It's shorts. It's not just a tick, right? Not a little stitch. No, it's not a little stitch or a tack. It's actual... it's actual shorts. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. Do you know what this would be really cool for if we just cut out even just small sections? If you want to dress your Barbie in her Jurassic World outfit and maybe incorporate this into play with your children or grandchildren, neighbors, whoever you're playing with these with, this would be amazing for a teacher Barbie to use as a little cutout. How absolutely adorable would that be? Just think about it. That could be the background of your science classroom. Oh, photo shoots. You could even use this in the back of your photo shoots for this outfit if you're not going to play with it and you just want to use it for that. Oh, this is such a cute little set. Okay, she might not be the best Barbie now because she has straps, but look at this. Is this Velcro? I thought that this was a hood. Oh, it's a strap. Okay. Is that part of the... Did I not cut... Oops, I did not cut the leg holes all the way. Look. Let's look. So it has the dinosaurs. Oh my gosh. And there's no tag. I don't think there's a... Oh my gosh. There actually is an official Barbie tag. Now, I'm wondering if it's because it's from 2021. Because some of the other stuff, remember, it didn't have a tag. And I said Barbie collectors absolutely love the tags. And I even complained that Dollar Tree Barbie outfits or Dollar Tree fashionable outfits had a tag. Look at that, Mattel. This actually has the Barbie tag. So this can be a guaranteed Barbie item with collectors looking for them, in later years when it's harder to find. I did not cut all that off. Oh, but you shouldn't just use your Barbies for collections. You should play. Let's get this right on her. I want to see. Oh, you know what? Let's check the shoes. I am all over the place today, people. I am so sorry. The shoes do have the B, and yeah, they are for flat feet. So you are limited, and I don't think that this is going to fit your fashionista if they don't have the traditional Barbie waistline. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get the collar. Oh, it is going to work really well with her. Oh, I love it. I wish there were more clothes to fit the fashionistas that have the different doll frames. I don't have any of the wider, rounder, wider this way, or shorter dolls. I really should get some. Let me know in the comments if you want me to get some fashionista dolls, because that way we could compare these. This outfit is only going to fit your traditional Barbie. But, oh my gosh, guys, look how cute. Like, look at these shorts. Okay, you can see a little bit of the swimsuit, and you can definitely see it at the back. But it's so cute. It's tight. It's not gonna fit a wider Barbie. I like that about the extra clothes. But I really like this. Look at the shoes. They have little green. Look at the details. Do you see the laces? Oh my gosh. Let's get them on. Let's get them on. Can I? Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, you can't even see her shoes. Hold on. There are her shoes. Barbie is ready to go exploring. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I love it. And because she's Barbie, there's nothing. Sorry. There's nothing on the necklace. I thought there'd be like a little Jurassic symbol. All right. I don't know. Why does Barbie need a necklace if she is looking for dinosaurs? I don't know. I don't know. It seems a little off. I really like this. Do you know what these shoes I think would go really good on? I think that they would go really well with a Skipper doll, because she is younger, right? She still has her pool stuff. I think she's a younger version of Barbie. I just want to see. I think this outfit, because Barbie looks cute. Barbie looks fantastic. You could reenact scenes. I think that's cute. But these shoes, I think these shoes are better fit for Skipper. They have let me just show you, the same sized feet. Okay. I think Skipper might be a little bit smaller. But isn't that great? Let's see. I think this fits her better. If I can get maybe I can't get the shoes on. Oh, maybe her feet are a little bit bigger. Did you see that? Let's try this one. Oh, yeah. These shoes fit our Skipper because she is young and she is rocking and she's just falling over. I think these shoes are better for her. I still don't understand the necklace. Like, this is cute. I really like this. Let's try it on Skipper. I'm not going to take her swimsuit off. Do you remember Skipper from our pool party series? Look at her. I just want to see, because she is physically shorter than Barbie. When you line them up, you see how she's just a tiny bit shorter? So we know the outfit fits on a stereotypical Barbie and one with flat feet. Now, did I put the shoes on first when I shouldn't have? Oh, look at that. So let's see if this, because Skipper will tell us, will this fit on smaller dolls? Maybe this will fit on a Stacy. I didn't bring my Stacy. Okay, what do we think? You know what? I think Skipper rocks the look. Skipper doesn't need the necklace. Look at how cute. This is definitely a Skipper outfit. What do you think? Skipper's ready. And Barbie can keep the necklace. Barbie, you can keep that necklace and you can just sit here and watch Skipper or help Skipper. I think that this outfit, honestly, this is meant for Skipper. Look at the shoes. Did I just put them on the wrong feet? Maybe that's why I was struggling to get them on. I really think, well, oh my goodness, I'm just dropping everything today. Yeah, look at that. I love the shoes. Skipper's, when I was a kid, Skipper didn't have enough shoes because she was flat-footed and Barbie was heels. Look at that. Absolutely. Skipper for the win. The vibrant hair that Skipper dolls have. Did I just knock her ponytail out without noticing? Did you guys see that? I'm sorry. Look at that. 100% Skipper for the win with this outfit. I love the shoes. I don't know why she's sitting like that. I don't understand the necklace. Like, it doesn't even say Jurassic. Am I missing something? Why she would need the necklace? What do you guys think? Who do you like it better on? Who wore it better? Did Barbie wear it better or did Skipper wear it better? My bet's on Skipper. Barbie, you can keep the necklace. My bet's on Skipper. I'm sorry, I just shook the camera, everyone. Let me know in the comments who wore it best. Who's your vote, Barbie or Skipper? And let me know in the comments, are you a Jurassic World, Jurassic Park dinosaur fan? Let me know. That is it. And let me know if you've seen these. Sorry. Let me know if you've seen these in your stores, in your Five Below, your Target, your Dollarama, anywhere that sells your Barbie stuff. And I mean, if you do see stuff like this, you know it's always a great time to pick it up. Birthdays, birthdays, gift baskets, any event that you are giving something to a Barbie fan. When you find these outfits at the discount stores, this is when you buy them. Look at this. I love it. I love it. And let me know your favorite part of the set. I love the shoes. I love the outfit. Overall, I still think the shoes, the nice green, the details, shoes are winning it for me. That's it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.